Set a reminder, mastering everyday English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common and useful phrase, set a reminder. This phrase is a part of everyday conversations, and understanding it can really help in both personal and professional settings. So, let's dive in. Set a reminder means to create a prompt or a cue that will help you remember something in the future. This can be done using various tools such as alarm clocks, mobile apps, or even sticky notes. The idea is to ensure that you don't forget an important task or event. You can use this phrase in different contexts. 1. Personal use. Setting a reminder for personal tasks like taking medication, calling a friend, or attending a party. 2. Professional environment. In the workplace, you might set reminders for meetings, deadlines, or important emails. Example, I need to set a reminder to email the client tomorrow morning. In different cultures, the way people set reminders may vary. For instance, in tech-savvy societies, digital reminders are prevalent, whereas in others, traditional methods like writing down notes are more common. Variations of this phrase include, put a reminder, make a note, or mark the calendar. Try this exercise. Think of 3 tasks you need to do this week and say out loud, I will set a reminder to your task. This will help you practice the phrase in a real-life context. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, set a reminder. We hope this video helps you in incorporating this phrase into your daily English usage. Remember, practice makes perfect. See you in the next video, and don't forget to set a reminder for it.